Welcome back to the online class. So children, today we are going to do the concept of between numbers. Here you can see three numbers on the screen: 4, 5 and 6. Now first let me tell you, between numbers are the one that comes in the middle of two numbers. So here 5 is the between number. Now you have to find out which number comes in between. Now let's start our guessing game. Now here you can see two numbers, 2 and 4. So children, you have to find out quickly and share which number will come in between. So let's try. What comes between 2 and 4? Yes, you're right. It's 3. So 3 comes between 2 and 4. Now this time we have 7 and 9 numbers. So you have to find out the number which comes between 7 and 9. Yes, children, try it. You can do. Yay, absolutely correct. It's 8. So 8 comes between 7 and 9. Now we have 18 and 20. Find out quickly, children, what comes between 18 and 20? Yes, I know you can do this. Yay, it's 19. So number 19 comes between 18 and 20. Well done. Superb, children. Now 21 and 23. Find out quickly the number what comes between 21 and 23. Yes, think. Yay. So number 22 comes between 21 and 23. Now we have 34 and 36. Now you have to find out between number. So what comes between 34 and 36? Yes, it's 35. Well done, children. Well done. Now let's see the next number. So our next numbers are 41 and 43. So what will come between 41 and 43? Yes, you're right. 42. Wow, well done, children. You all are doing great job. Now tell me, children, what will come between 49 and 51? Yes, the answer is 50. 50. So my dear children, I hope you have enjoyed this game. So children, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.